So here we are on a Sunday afternoon. So what you have here is a combination of public access and private beach as well. So the locals come out, enjoy the cold river water, and then the river dumps into the sea right down here. So you have fresh water. People come down here and take their bath, wash their hair, swim, enjoy themselves. And right there you can see where the river cuts through and empties here into the sea. So this is locals here enjoying their day. Up there is all private from that hotel. So I come down here on Saturday mornings and Sunday mornings, and I try to teach the children to swim, at least teach them how to float. So you see everybody enjoying themselves. Of course, the commercial fishing boats come out this way. Nets, the rafts. It's a great place for tourists to come and see up close, get a ride, meet fishermen, get fresh catch. And people come from all over. You got a shop here, you can buy drinks, some snacks. Get a jet ski ride for about 20 US. It's a nice ride too. They go out for about 20 minutes or so. You can pay fishermen to take you out fishing, or you just want to get a boat ride, you can do that too. So I like to get down here early in the morning. Usually on the weekends this place really fills up. So here they are coming up river. It's a great relaxing ride on the rafts. So check it out if you get to Jamaica. And otherwise, if you're a local, come enjoy yourself on the weekend. You can see it's a wonderful place to have a good time.